For me, the banyan tree is about growth, nourishment, roots, being a shelter to people. Why do people come to the Banyan group of hotels? They don't just come for a room or the spa alone. They come because they want to be engaged in something. So they feel that they're part of the movement for change. Our guests, our associates will all be nurtured with the notion that we are all part of the solution. We have Stay for Good program. We have rewilding programs where guests can plant the trees. They come back every year to see how their trees grow. The Banyan Group, we all believe in embracing the environment and empowering the community. Hence the birth of Gallery. Part of the solution to rural development is to give them jobs. So we became the marketeers for their production. They therefore will stay on site to develop and improve and advance. And we had this seeding program to give children that second chance by teaching them a skill. Whether it's a language skill or it's a vocational skill, empowering people is a big part on stewardship. We don't need to be an owner, but we all have to be the steward of the land that we are living in.